damn, my memory's full.
Thanks, God. Hi guys, here.
Oh, damn.
St. Fagans, Level Crossing is our first activity channel.
Hi guys, we're at St. Fagans Level Crossing here with CO 15250 channel, Imposter Woman and Mike Genie. My memory's full.
Oh, right.
Sorry guys, I do apologise here.
But there we go, now the time is 17:26 on Monday the 27th of August 2018. I have no idea what this is for. Oh, okay, I've got it. This is for the 17 expected 1727 1 86. I mean, Grocery Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington.
Yeah, we have a late start because my memory on my camera is full. So unfortunately, we should rush back to can't get my DS. I have to rush back to can't get my DS later.
And we'll also be down for the 1728 192. I mean, Trade Rail service from Holyhead to Maesteg as well.
Okay, Holyhead to Maesteg is coming now, right?
Yeah, and London to Swansea.
Oh, we've got a Great Western Cooking 43 as well.
No, I saw a 43 when you were coming.
Alright, okay, you're just passing it.
It passed ages ago. Nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
There should be an 800 again.
I think we've got probably like a charter or something. No, we had a charter already, damn. YN barrier, Unipart rail LEDs, not press rail heads with £1,000. We've got concrete crossing plant with plastic trespass guide.
Whoa!
We've got CCTV as well.
Oh my goodness, this is the slowest 800 I've ever seen!
Oh my god, we've got to try and get his attention. Alright, javelin! Here's a javelin. Come on, javelin! IEP javelin, come on!
No.
Yeah, I know it's going quite slow, probably because it's going to stop the crossing. How fast is it going now? What speed is it going, like 50 miles an hour or something?
I think it's accelerate. Maybe it's going slow due to the freight.
Hang on, I think
Oh my goodness, this is a 9 car again, my second one of the day.
What? No way, we've got 800, probably the one you see, 800 308. This will probably be the 800 308 again.
Can't be.
Come on, Jav. We've got
800 305. To London Paddington and yes, we're double staying with 800.
Staying.
So double stay with an 800.
Okay, so this will probably be a 43. It'll probably be a 43 coming from that way.
No, it's the
West. Yeah, I do notice when we went to Manchester West, the alarm was starting to break a little. It started to pitch lower. It sounded like Cromwell Lane. Oh no.
Here comes the Maesteg service.
Oh, hello. Oh, it's a 153 again.
No. 153 327 again. 153 327 to 153 with the Maesteg. A big God.
327 the Cardiff Express and 158 853 to
823.
And 1588 something or other to
1588 823.
153 327 the Cardiff Express.
I saw 153327 earlier upon some, but anyways, thanks guys, next video.